My name is Peter. I've been trading for a couple of years now, and I would like to share my experience. And probably, I'm not a financial advisor, but definitively, I want you guys to level up. I want to show you it's possible to get probably to the level I'm going now. And yeah, I'm gonna basically start a trading challenge for beginners, right? So I'm gonna have about $2,000 US dollar in my trading account and starting trading with that, and show you my weekly progress. Which trades I will win, which trades I'm gonna lose. I'm not gonna hide anything. I'm gonna share you my entire transactions and show you how I do it, and you will see, starting with potential no experience, how you can approach trading and where you can get and how far and how much you can earn over time, right? So what I want to show you is exactly what's going on. There's a lot going on within the economy, right? It's impossible for you guys. You must level up. I cannot emphasize that enough, right? So 2023, right? It has become unacceptable to only have one source of income, right? So I started my journey, right, initially as a data analyst, right? So then I moved to software engineering, right? Currently, I'm on my way to earn about 140 to 150K pretty in maybe a year or two from now, for my 9 to 5, right? However, right, I want to tell you why is it important to trade, right? So, for example, let's talk about the 401k, right? So, if you are purely relying on your 401k, to get your retirement funds and to be able to sustain yourself when you're going to be older, it's pretty much unacceptable. Why is this unacceptable, right? So you have the low return that the 401k is providing you, right? So it's maybe between 10 to 12% a year, right? And then it's pretty much, right, the 401k, it's similar to the rate of return. It's kind of similar to the SPY, which is the S&P 500, if you buy it at the right time, so you can obtain a similar return in the long term as your 401k. And the other advantage of buying directly yourself of the SPY is that you can sell it at any time, and probably depending on when you sell it, that you may pay taxes, of course, but you can sell it at any time at least, right? So using the 401k, it's best in my opinion, right, when there's a contribution match by your employer. And so what I was saying, about the 401k is that typically what's happening is that you have a bunch of people, right, that are managing your money, and they are making a lot of money on your back. So whatever fund you put on your 401k, typically the average person doesn't pull the 401k money quickly enough. So I can assume that they must have, must let that money a few years over there, which will help obviously those people that manage the funds, the pension fund. You have heard a lot about people, pension funds crashing and a lot of stuff going on. So you must be extremely careful, not relying purely on that. So what kind of trading strategy suits you, right? So there are two different there are two different things that you can trade. You can either trade stocks or you can trade options. So in one of my previous videos, I share some basics trading strategy for stocks. Feel free to check that video, right? And the other is about option. So why is it important to consider? I want you basically to to take a look at yourself and kind of see, okay, which depending on the goal that you want to get to, you must find the strategy that suits you. You may give it a shot. Just give it a shot. Just open. If you want me to talk about how you can open an account on a broker and start trading with paper money, yeah, just let me know in the video description or in the comments. I'm gonna right below, and then I'm gonna make another video and explain how you can do it and how you can set up that account properly to trade properly, right? So option trading, right? So in the past I've been trading stocks and a little bit options, but right now the challenge, as told you, I'm starting for beginners, right? So I'm gonna start with 2,000 US dollar, and mainly this time I'm gonna trade options. So what are options, right? So options are typically, right, so it's like you are buying the right to buy or sell shares of companies, or shares of or like ETF of index funds, depending on what it is. And that right to buy or sell something depending on the price movement, which simply is like the price of something can go up and down, right? So that right to buy or sell is called premium. So the premium is a fee that you pay and to be basically the middleman. So you don't technically own the shares or the stock. So what you are having, it's simply the right to buy or sell that thing at any moment, depending on on whatever you want to do with it, right? So what are the good advantages of options, for example, compared to stock trading? Stock trading, typically, to make a lot of money, you need to start it's extremely hard unless you somehow find the right company and invest at the right moment, and and wait, hopefully in the future, and maybe hit big, but that's extremely unlikely. So if you want to trade like with limited amount of funds, I would strongly recommend exploring option trading. So with option trading, you don't have to start with with huge funds, and I will break it down in the future, my journey and why I decided to start option trading. However, I'm not gonna I have to keep it clear and concise, so I'm not gonna give you every single details and how I'm doing it, but I will share a little bit of I will give you basically an overall view of what I'm doing. So as I said, it's extremely important in 2023 and forward to level up. I want you guys to level up. I'm leveling up myself. I was used in the past to believe it's possible to make it with one income in the US, but it's not possible anymore. I'm just keeping it real with you. I'm not trying to bullshit you, going to school, having the degree. That was pretty much like in the past, right? At best, you maybe do something like computer science related like me, and get a high paid job, if you get a job, of course. And however, there's a lot of inconvenience with following that path, but at best you can maximize what you earn based on your career. And yeah, so let me know what kind of video also you appreciate the most, then I can elaborate more about the topic and break it down for you guys. So thank you for watching this video. So let me know what you think. Don't hesitate to subscribe. I will be definitively posting one video a week as I'm sharing my journey with you and showing you and bringing you into that journey and showing you whether it's possible to succeed with starting with a small account. And pretty much I'm gonna behave as I don't have as much experience based on the the years I've been trading. I'm just gonna behave like a beginner, and sometimes make mistakes, sometimes lose money. I'm just gonna show you over time how my portfolio is growing, and whatever income with proofs, so screenshots and transaction recording. I'm gonna give you everything, the brokerage platform I'm doing, I'm doing it, why I'm choosing that brokerage platform, and the return or the losses for that period of time. So thank you, I appreciate you, stay tuned, and I will be posting a video pretty much a week. And I hope you can appreciate the quality of the videos, but let me know if those videos you don't like it. If you don't, give me your feedback so I can improve. It's all about leveling up. I was like you guys in the past, but yeah, I'm leveling up now. I'm making more money. I'm saving my money as well, and I'm trading, and yeah. But that's one source of income. I want you guys to take advantage of that opportunity, right? So what I want you to understand is like many rich people don't make money, like they make money in a split of in a split of a second. Everything is about speed if you want to be involved in trading. And in real life, people are making a lot of money in a short amount of time typically, and everything is about time. And you must know that there's a lot of transaction going on in the market, and you have to try your best not to predict the market. That's not what I'm gonna aim at, but we have to follow market movements, whether it's going up and down. So if the market, we have strong belief that the market's gonna go up, we'll follow one strategy. If you believe that the market's gonna go down, or we see the market starting going down and we have the belief it's gonna keep going down, therefore we are going to make also some some maybe put some puts option. And for the records, I'm just gonna create SPY on only SP, only that, nothing else. Why? I'm gonna give you probably in the next videos and break you why at least if you're a beginner, it's easier to trade something that's like that. So thank you guys again. I appreciate, so show some love and support, and I'm gonna post one video a week. Thank you.